it personal, personal, personal. Don't take it personal, personal, personal.
So I'm gonna just cut this lace in the back of the wig. If you guys see me looking over here, I just have a big mirror, but I'm trying to look at the camera. So I'm just cutting it. You do not need this. That's like if you're trying to put your hair in a ponytail, a high pony. So that's what it's for, but 9 out of 10 would not be wearing it in a high pony. So the elastic bands are already attached, so I'm not gonna unhook it unless my head is really, really big and cannot fit it. So let's see. Yo, ow, hold up, let me comb it out, get the ears right. I'm gonna comb all the hair to the front. I like my hair really big, so I'm just combing it out. Just a little lace right here. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So you see how easy it was to just put it on my head and go? I'm gonna show you. So I'm 5'7". Sorry if my shirt kind of wrinkled. So when you scratch it, go right here, bounce it up, go right here. I'll show you the back. I'm loving it, and I'm going to put some highlights in this hair. I already said some honey blonde highlights. So I just want to see how big the hair get. Y'all, no tangles at all. This hair is so soft. No tangles, no shedding. So I'm just combing it out to see how big it is. Go big or go home. I'm just looking in my mirror I have. So, looking at my comb, this much shedding. Get that tad bit. But other than that, this is a 1B, you guys, 1B, 22 inches. You can curl it, dye it, bleach it, straighten it. You can do it all. It's 150 density. So I can really say like it's thick right here. It's kind of thin right here. So if you want to put some volume, they should have. I feel like they should have added more trash right here with my hands up, but it still looks so full that you can't tell it. So I'm actually gonna wet the hair. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put mousse. Probably wet the hair. So I'm just putting it. Yeah. This is a closure wig. Now I'm gonna leave the description box like I said, but once you look at it, it won't say closure wig. It's more, it would say like lace front, lace wig. So I didn't really look at the pictures. I thought this was like a frontal wig, but I'm very, very happy that it's not. I did not want to feel like doing all that gluing. Now I want y'all to see the difference. I'm loving it, you guys. I think I can't say if I like my hair wet or dry. I like it both. I like them both. gonna do with the little bit of water I have. It's a water bottle from Dollar Tree. I really don't have to do nothing on top. I'm gonna cut this lace right now. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of Got To Be spray. I just spray this right here. Now, what I like to do, I'm using this CoverGirl Queen Collection powder, Ebony Bronze. Use my little brush. I just pat it. I lift it. I just put it there. Just have a better blend to my skin. I'm not gonna cut the lace yet. I'm actually gonna spray. I'm looking at this mirror right behind me. And you just spray how much you need for that lace. So if I had a 4x4, 13x6 frontal lace that go from ear to ear, I'll spray my whole hairline. I only got like an inch of little lace. I would have my blow dryer, but I don't have it with me. I'm just cut this lace. Now I'm gonna just add a little bit of color to my middle part since I didn't pluck it. It will just define that middle part. This is something I found like at Didi's Discount, RK by Kiss. It's a contour palette. You can obviously see which one I use the most. So I'm just doing a line. Honestly, don't need too much. Just need to define it more. Okay, I see the difference. Okay, so the line start here and start right there. I'll take this off. So yeah, you guys, I really love it. I'm happy with my purchase. It's my first time with Deep Wave. It is really similar to Water Wave and Pineapple Wave of what I get. I'm just so surprised how soft the hair is, no tangles. So my next video will be putting highlights in this hair with something different from 2021. Do I go to sleep with my wigs on? To be honest, no. So that's why the Got To Be is optional. But I'm about to do some errands, so that's why I put the Got To Be on. You do not have to put the Got To Be spray on if you don't want to. It's really not gonna make a difference. It's just for extra security for your front to not be lifted. But if you got your elastic band on the wig really snug and tight, then your wig not going nowhere. But it's very windy in Florida right now. I'm not taking no chances. So yeah, you got. If you like my video, please leave a like, subscribe. I got a lot more videos I will be doing today. Kind of catch up. And yeah, you guys, bye. Peace. I'm out.
Wait.